I'm Trisha from Outsource Accelerator, and welcome to the channel where we talk about global employment, remote work, outsourcing, and all things business. In this video, we'll discuss the benefits of recognizing remote employees and provide ideas to make them feel valued. Showing appreciation to employees is important for building a successful team and recognizing their hard work. This also creates a positive work environment where everyone feels appreciated. In the era of remote work, it's even more crucial to find creative ways to appreciate virtual team members. Whether it's virtual events, gift cards, or personalized messages, there are many employee appreciation ideas that can make remote team members feel special. Now let's explore some great ways to show appreciation for your remote team. One of the most effective ways to appreciate employees is by sending them a personal message. You can do this through email, chat, or a video call. In the message, let them know that you appreciate their contributions, hard work, or achievements. You can also explain how they have made a difference to the team or project. Be genuine and personalized in your praise, and avoid using generic or unclear compliments. Sending a personal message like this can boost your employees' motivation, confidence, and happiness.
Thank you for what you're doing. Keep doing it.
You can create a virtual recognition wall to appreciate your employees' efforts. This is a shared space where you and your team members can post positive feedback, shout-outs, testimonials, or awards. Platforms like Slack, Trello, or Google Jamboard can be used to create this wall. It's a fun and collaborative way to celebrate each other's work and build a culture of recognition within your remote team. Is your business tired of spending too much time and money on admin tasks? Then outsourcing is for you. With outsourcing, you can save up to 70% on staff costs, access to world-class professionals, and focus on growing your business. Get 3 free codes now. Hosting a virtual celebration is a fantastic way to recognize your employees and foster a strong bond within your remote team. You can organize a virtual celebration for different reasons like finishing a project, hitting a goal, or making special occasions like birthdays or holidays. To make it more enjoyable and interactive, you can incorporate games, quizzes, polls, or even music. A virtual celebration can boost team spirit, camaraderie, and loyalty among your remote team members. Offering flexible rewards is a great way to recognize and appreciate employees by giving them something they truly enjoy and find valuable. These rewards can be customized based on the individual preferences, interests, or needs of your employees. For example, you could offer a gift card, a subscription, a charitable donation, a training course, or even a day off. Another option is to provide a list of reward choices and let employees pick what resonates with them. By offering flexible rewards, you demonstrate your genuine concern for your employees' well-being, personal growth, and overall happiness.
Yo, this is why I love my job.
Showcasing employee success stories is a great way to recognize them. These stories highlight their work, challenges, solutions, and outcomes, and demonstrate how they've contributed to the team or organization's goals. You can share these stories with your team, manager, clients, or even on social media. Additionally, you can encourage employees to share their own success stories or nominate their colleagues for recognition. Sharing success stories increases visibility, enhances reputation, and fosters a sense of pride among employees. These ideas for appreciating employees are just a starting point. There are countless ways to show appreciation. It's crucial to remember that employee appreciation begins with you, and it's important to keep in mind that employees depend on you to maintain high morale and positive energy. Make sure you don't disappoint them. If you have any other creative ways to appreciate your remote staff, please share them with us in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to stay updated on our future uploads. Take care and bye!